Masquera say Zimbabwe, welcome to our channel Zoom Confessions and Deep Secrets. Taneta tanka kukuya panino channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Kana chungwa garo subscribe, but don't forget to comment and share this video. As Zimbabwe, takuigirai nyaya ya buditswa na civil servants ayo abuda shara iyo actually they are longing for my salaries have IPO during the government of national unity era. Aitara achiti during nguva iyoyo they were being paid $540. So a 36-year-old Zimbabwe prison and correctional service officer abuda chema shara iya actually the so-called Second Republic under President NaMnangagwa administration iyo yakatanga in November 2017 after the military coup ya reduced a civil servant to a state of destitution in Zimbabwe. Kabuda Ashtaura the news day Ashtaura he actually joined the ZPCS Animal Core 24. Ashtaura he actually during the GNU era civil servants hired a comfortable life, but now they are struggling to make ends meet. So actually the Second Republic during the Second Republic vakupiwa $35 per month in Zimbabwe, since they are now struggling in Zimbabwe. Abuda actually the Second Republic has made us earn $35 a month. Civil servants are now struggling. Personally, I no longer love myself. I joined the ZPCS not because I wanted to, but because I realized that a school dropout was making a significant living out of the $540 that they earned. So during the government of national unity, ordinary folks managed to build their own houses and buy their first cars. Government workers were earning around $500, and the tiring civil servants took no less than $20,000 as lump sum money and minimum of monthly pension of around $300. But now, Finance Minister Mtuli has reduced us to destitute. Gender-based violence will never stop when a father who is a civil servant gets $190 monthly salary to pay fees, buy food, and pay rent, among other expenses. And on retirement, after 40 years of service, they are given $300 lump sum pension contribution. Mtuli gives us his lunch money as pension every month, and we are backdated with deductions. Abuda achitaura muri Zimbabwe. So in an interview muri Zimbabwe, the Public Service, Labor and Social Welfare Minister wa July Moyo Vavakuda ashtaura iwo vachiti the government the government can only pay civil servants mari yavanokwanisa zvinhu kwanisa kuafoda mari iyoyo. Abuda ashtaura actually the government can only give what it can afford, as the GDP of this country tells us what we can pay the civil servant. The civil servants in this country are in middle income bracket. I know the salaries and wages of the civil servants. Civil servants are at a higher level as compared to the private sector and earn more than those in the private sector. There is a National Joint Negotiating Council which negotiates for many things apart from salaries. They have a timetable for how they negotiate. Just like the turnover of any company can tell you what they can afford to pay workers. Those are July Moyo. Then vatenda ibiti vakaseva as the finance minister during the GNU era vakabuda vachitaura ivo vachiti vari kunzwa tsitsi for the life rekurarama nemacivil servants. Vabiti vakabuda vachiblama the finance, economic development and investment promotion permanent secretary vaGeorge Guvamatanga ne situation in civil servants in Zimbabwe, since he is the one to blame for the situation in civil servants. Kabuda ashtaura here, I'm sorry to say this, civil servants may wish to go back to $540 salaries, but with President NaMnangagwa's government, it is impossible. A mosquito will never kill malaria, never. Ndoza Kabuda ashtaura Tendai biti. Sokari, a general duty soldier with the Zimbabwe National Army, uyo anonzi Mangezi Liwayo akainterview ne the Newsday akabuda achitaura iye achiti the salary yaari kupiwa is not the one yaakapindira chisoja. Akabuda achitaura achiti awa ndiwo mafanis, I get paid 1,300 ZiG and 190 US as a monthly salary. I have to pay rent and other bills. This is why we have many ex-soldiers who quit and join armed robbers. The biggest problem is we cannot speak out, especially the uniformed forces like police, ZPC, and army. I honestly miss that 540 US salary which we used to get. Goes Akabuda. Achitaurwa nemsoja we achitaura iye achiti that's why masoja akusiya basa achitoita armed robberies muri Zimbabwe. In an interview with the Newsday, former Citizens Coalition for Change leader Nelson Chamisa vakabuda vachitaura ivo vachiti economic challenges ari kufeswa nemacivil servants nemamwe maZimbabweans ari kustema from the ongoing political crisis iri muno muZimbabwe. Akabuda achitaura achiti the broken politics in this country breaks everything, and the broken economy is a product of broken politics. It doesn't help to run away from the choice of the people. A political settlement is needed. Look at what happened in South Africa. They respected the choices of the voters who expressed the need for leaders to join hands and work together. Tisingaziye kuti munoona usei nyaya iyi kutaura kwatiri kuita vachamisa vari kutaura ivo vachitaura dialogue naPresident Emerson Mnangagwa. Mnangagwa uri kutaura achiti nguva yedialogue yakapera, Chamisa was given a chance akatadza kuishandisa muri Zimbabwe. Tisingazive kuti munoona seiwo nyaya iyi. Ndofunga GNU yanga iri power sharing agreement iyo yakafomwa musi waFebruary 13 gore 2019 yakalasta kusvika muna July 2018. Ndofunga takaona ZRP iyo yatungamirwa naRobert Mugabe ichibatana the MDCT yaitungamirirwa naMorgan Tsvangirai the MDC yaitungamirirwa navaArthur Mutambara vakabatana. Ndofunga takaona zvinhu zvichinja, ndo pakaintroducwa ipi US dollars kuti aonekwa achishandiswa muno muZimbabwe. Macivil servants akaonekwa achiwedzerwa mari, so now they are complaining vachiri remiss madays eGNU vachitaura achiti mararamiro ari kuita nguva ino haana kumira mushe. Ndofunga takangoda mateachers zvakare achichema achiti they want mari yavo kuti iwedzerwe muri Zimbabwe. Tisingazive kuti munoona sei nyaya iyi. Tiudzewo zvamuri kufunga pamusoro penyaya iyi comment section kuti GNU is it the solution to the crisis yemuno muZimbabwe, kana kuti tiudzewo zvamuri kufunga pamusoro penyaya iyi comment section kuti GNU inoshanda here kana there is need for total change the government, kana kuti the government iripo iyo inokwanisa kugadzira economy. Tiudzewo zvamuri kufunga pamusoro penyaya iyi comment section.